Hey, it's Matt here with 911R. I'm bringing trailer, avant-garde. We have this Rover that was done by the company called the Land Rovers in the Netherlands. And this car was fully restored, top to bottom, torn down to bare chassis and built up from there. This one, it has a really beautiful matte blue metallic paint on it. It has lots of KBX aluminum upgrade parts, running boards, big Kahn wheels, just all the high-end Rover stuff. So the company, the Land Rovers, is a really cool company in the Netherlands. It's kind of like our Konig or East Coast Land Rovers. But I have to say, I've sold a lot of Conics, I've sold East Coast Rovers, I've sold all of them, top hats. I have to say the Land Rovers have always been, I think, my favorite. Their build quality, attention and detail is just so good. And you'll find a lot of Land Rovers, when you just go to close the door, they don't fit very good. Look how nice this thing fits. All the doors open and close nicely. That's just the best thing I've seen. Like I said, a lot of them don't fit, including the Arconics. Interior on this is, high quality carpets. It's all Dynamat insulated, leather bucket seats. We got 7 seats in this one. They all fold flat. The owner upgraded to this floating Alpine unit. And it's got a Dakota Digital gauge set. It's got air conditioning, just all the stuff on it. I love the soft top on this rig. It's a high quality, German style soft top. It comes on and off actually really easily. There's the Land Rover's logo there. Let me show you how these seats fold as well, which is pretty cool. So, I mean, all the seats fold down flat like that. So you can put something top, or you could even put a bed in there if you wanted to sleep. But that's all great. Walking around, again, you see on the bodywork, no fillering. You see all the rivets and stuff like how they're supposed to be. A lot of times these companies are filling that stuff and it doesn't look right. It's got the cool NAS rear bumper. We'll get to the powertrain, but it's got bitchin' exhaust tailpipes, all mandrel bent with V straps on it. Rear backup camera. Turn around on this side and we'll open up the hood. So here's the thing about this one. So a company called, I think it's Impatient Creations, did this one. And they did a brand new LS3 crate engine in here. And they didn't just put an LS3 in there. They redid everything. It's got a functional ram air. It's got a Holley custom intake, custom valve covers, polished full pulley setup with alternator and AC, really cool hoses, big custom radiator. This thing rips. The exhaust system on it is, mandrel, like I said, front to back. Just everything about this is really well thought out, done like, a real high performance hot rod street shop would do. There's $125,000 plus in invoices in the transmission and engine and converting all this. It's got a 6L80E 6-speed automatic in it. Just everything is done right. It's got all the LED lights. This is as high build of a Defender I've ever seen. And, it's perfect inside and out, no flaws, no damage. It's only got 1,800 miles on it, and it's trick. Any questions, hit us up on the contact seller button. If you're interested in having 911R sell your car, hit me up as well, and good luck.